Welcome back. Let's dive into 5 profitable Amazon KDP niches you can write on. 1. Low-content books, journals, planners, logbooks, and coloring books. Focus on designs and target specific audiences, like fitness journals or gratitude planners. 2. Children's books, always in demand. Create fun, simple stories with colorful illustrations. Target bedtime stories or educational books. 3. Self-help and personal development, high demand for books on productivity, anxiety, and confidence. Solve specific problems. 4. Niche nonfiction, cookbooks, how-to guides, and specific topics like vegan desserts or DIY gardening tips. 5. Workbooks and activity books, create interactive content like brain teasers, language learning, or adult coloring books. That's it. 5 profitable KDP niches. Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite niche below. See you next time.